everyone, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished doing a StarLine S96 on this Ford Transit 2018. It's a high top one, big beast. So what is a StarLine S96? One of the most premium alarm systems out there. So how it works is it's connected to your phone just here. You might get a bit of a sun glare, okay, and it works on a tagging system just there. Okay, so you need to have that tag. If you don't have that, even if you've got the keys and you open the door, the alarm's going to go off. So what we've got on there, so we've got tracking, live tracking on there, free for life app. You can control lock and unlock your vehicle from your phone. So you've got service mode there as well, and you've got anti-hijack as well. So moving on to the sort of the depth of the system itself, you've got various sensors that are pre-built into the alarm. So you've got motion sensor, tilt sensor, shock sensor, so 3 sensors built in. So how they work: motion is if the vehicle is lifted up and it's moving, the alarm's going to go off and it will phone you. Tilt if they lift it, so really good for catalytic converter thefts, etc., or you know, trying to take your wheels, etc. And shock, so you've got shock warning, which is a light impact, and then you've got heavy warning with basically says a heavy impact, then the alarm will go off and it will phone you. If you don't pick up, you can program it to call another number, up to 4 numbers. So really good kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to just, Richard's got the actual keys for the Ford, and we're going to just get him to just unlock it and just open it, and you'll see the alarm goes off and it will call me. So the alarm's going off. You can also adjust the volume siren as well. So you can see on my phone it's gone red with the boot open. So if I just answer that, put it on volume, you may be able to hear it.
Type OPA into command code or dial 0 to listen to command.
So that's gone off. So also the vehicle won't start. So if we just follow Richard round, he's going to try to start the vehicle. So he's just jumped in. So imagine someone's, before they even get in, the alarm's going to go off, by the way, but still, just as a reassurance, try the ignition. It's saying the door's open now. It's also saying it on my watch as well. It will give you app notification and text message as well. So Richard, if you just want to grab the tags off the other car. So he's just going to grab the tags. Alarm's still going off. As soon as he walks up to it, you don't need to press anything. So if you just jump in now, Richard, and then just start the vehicle up as normal, you hear it crank because he's got the tag with him. Really good piece of kit. Really premium security, stopping theft from vehicle tools, tools from vehicles, etc., or the whole van going. Really popular. We're fitting so many of these. That's just, I'll show you just the box on it. So that's a StarLine S9. It's also on our website, www.carsoundsecurity.com, or you can contact us on the details after this video for any inquiries. Thanks for watching.